You suck at cooking, yeah, you totally suck.
Behold, cauliflower mac and cheese, but it's more like mac and cheese because we're substituting the macaroni for cauliflower. Don't at me. Now make sure you don't confuse cauliflower with cauliflower or cauliflower. Nobody wants to eat that. Keep in mind that cauliflower and macaroni are almost the same thing. They're both light in color, they're both good for your teeth, and they both grow in the wild. But most importantly, they're both part of the important food group, cheese delivery systems, which includes crackers, broccoli, and your finger. Damn, that's a good finger. We're going to use 1 large head of fresh cauliflower, or you can use up to 12 cauliflower bricks. We're going to use the power of finger strength to break these into bite-sized pieces and remove the bones, unless you prefer bone-in mac and cheese. Then we'll colander and pat it dry. Add in 3 tablespoons of olive oil, some salt, and pepper. Then we're going to take a conscious step away from our wang-jangling addiction and use this as an opportunity to perfect the toss. The toss is a handy little piece of physics that harnesses the power of gravity to get all the olive oil into the crooks and the crannies of the cauliflower. Yeehaw! You can also throw the cauliflower on spin cycle. If you don't want the hassle of dismantling fresh cauliflower, you can use frozen cauliflower, also known as rockle flour. It'll turn out more mushy, but will still excel at delivering cheese sauce to the body system. Remember that it has a whole different set of acoustics that aren't any worse or better, it just sounds like rocks. But you gotta be careful when you throw it in the pot. But you're not gonna throw it in the pot, cause we don't boil cauliflower, no. And remember, if you're making this for a fussy baby, the cauliflower bones can be easily chopped into noodle shapes if you want to waste an absolute ton of time. Now we're going to take a parchment paper coated pan and slide our cauliflower on randomly so it tastes unpredictable. And keep in mind your ABVs.
Always bake vegetables.
And your EWBs.
Except when boiling.
WVR.
Which should be very rarely.
LSP.
Like sometimes potatoes.
Alright, I'll STFU.
Start the friggin' undo.
On 420 Fundo. Now remember, white tastes boring, brown tastes good. So we'll bake these until they start to brown. Now let's get to work on that cheese sauce. You're going to need a cup of milk, 4 teaspoons of flour, 5 ounces or 150 grams of shredded medium cheddar. Remember, M stands for maximum altitude. 2 teaspoons of Sriracha, and around 57 chives. I also added in a half teaspoon of salt. Now you want to chop these chives up finely. Some people worry about chives having the word hives in it, but it also rhymes with high fives, so let's not be negative, you pessimistic son of a... Which saucepan should you use? Doesn't really matter. Alright, let's check on the cauliflower. We're going to wrestle these up and bake them a little bit browner. Be not afraid. Get that cup of milk in and heat it up to medium and whisk in that flour. Now work in those chivy particles, add in the Sriracha or other hot sauce, and the salt. Now wang jangle while bringing it up to a boil and make sure to block the view with your hand. We'll remove it from the heat, then sprinkle in and combine that cheddar. Or you can keep it on the heat and watch as the cheese becomes an irredeemable glob of gloop inside a pot of steaming milk. Your cheese sauce, your life. By the way, when that cheese sauce cools and thickens, it makes excellent savory frosting. Now our cauliflower has gone through a butterfly-like transformation into something beautifully delicious. You have a choice here. You can plate the cauliflower, then drizzle, or just give it a ride down the parchment paper express and combine it in the pot. Keep in mind that what you're doing when you make cauliflower mac and cheese is tricking yourself into eating vegetables, just like the olden days when vegetables used to be disguised as fish.
Cauliflower mac and cheese, more like mac, yes please. Please can I squeeze in any more cauliflower mac and cheese?
This video is sponsored by HelloFresh. They deliver step-by-step recipes with pre-measured ingredients, so you can have a great meal cooked in around 30 minutes, which leaves you more time to carve cauliflower bone sculptures. I have no idea what this is. You can expand your dinner horizons with over 20 seasonal recipes each week that are curated by chefs, and you can change your food preferences, the delivery day, or skip weeks when you need to. As a sauce addict, one of the things I really like is that sauces are used in a lot of these meals, so learning new ways to make them is something I never get bored of. America's Best Value Meal Kit is now from $5.66 per serving. If you want to get started with 8 free meals, that's $80 off your first month of HelloFresh. Go to HelloFresh.com and enter YSAC80. Thanks.